3, 2, 1, now. Still working. It's a TI-30XA. This is really cool. Now we're doing the TI-34 Multiview by Texas Instruments. Because I love that company. And I like their calculators. So here's the TI-30XA we previously dropped earlier. In perfect condition. Some scratches on the back. And some weird scuffs on the corners, but hey. It still freaking works. So yeah, let's get on with the test. So we're gonna do overhead drop. Set it on there. 3, 2, 1. Holy crap. And let's see the results. Oh. It looks okay. Let's say 7, 8, 9. Let it focus. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so good. All of the keys work. So now, all I did here was I literally placed it over my head as far as I could reach, and I dropped it. Now, I'm gonna go on the bed. I'm gonna drop it from the fan's height. So I'm about 5 feet. And that's about 4 feet. So this thing is 9 feet drop, which will be crazy. Let's do it. Alright, guys. So, we're gonna do this. Yeah, indeed. I'm gonna just type crap. I'm gonna get on the bed. I'm gonna place this down. And we're gonna see what happens. So, 3, 2, 1. Oh, man. Let's see what it did. Nothing. Except it was like this. And now it's like this. Reference the frame here. So, I'm going to give this a number 1. And I'm going to give this a number 1. Because they're both pretty durable. Even though, look at this. I have their back covers unscrewed. I have no screws on the back cover. That's why I wanted to do this test. And they did not come off at any time. I dropped them. So, that is indeed the quality of Texas Instruments. Yeah, this one still works too. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Peace out.